नमस्कार, इन गोवा बातमीपत्रात आपलं स्वागत. पाहूया राज्यातील आत्तापर्यंतच्या महत्त्वाच्या घडामोडी. मिरामार किनाऱ्यावर अडकलेलं कॅसिनो जहाज काढण्यासाठी मोठ्या प्रमाणात किनाऱ्याची रेती उपटण्याचं काम सुरू करण्यात आले. हे काम CRZ कायद्याअंतर्गत उल्लंघन करणारं असल्यानं ते त्वरित बंद करावं अशी मागणी आम आदमी पक्षानं केली आहे. या संदर्भात गोवा किनारी प्राधिकरण नियमाकडे तक्रार केल्याची माहिती देखील पक्षाच्या नेत्यांनी पत्रकार परिषदेत दिली.
2 दीस पयलीं आमी एक प्रेस घेतले जे लोकांक अवेरनेस करपाक की मिरामार ब्रिचार ड्रेजिंग जे चलता, जी लकी 7 जी वेसल जी ग्राउंड जाल्ली, हें जे वायलेशन ऑफ CRZ एक्ट आमी जेन्ना आवाज काडलो प्रेसान, ते आवाजा फाटल्यान असेंब्लीन काँग्रेसाच्या MLAन थिंग घातलें की वाय शी वॉज अलाउड टू कम इनसायड काय म्हणून. आनी चीफ मिनिस्टरान तेन्ना स्टेटमेंट दिलो की शी हॅड नो परमिशन्स एट ऑल टू कम इनसायड. दॅट इज द रिजन वी हॅड स्टॉप्ड. आज थ्रू दीस प्रेस 2 चीज हांव लोकांक अवेअर करपाक सोदता. एक, टुडे वी हॅव सबमिटेड अ पेटिशन एंड रिक्वेस्टेड दी GCZMA, द कॅप्टन ऑफ द पोर्ट्स एंड द CCP, a request to stop the violation of CRZ laws at the Miramar beach. हे सबमिट केला 3 जाणां कडेन. ते एक इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक येतले म्हणून सांगलां आतां. आनी सेकंडली, when the chief minister has said that there was no permissions and without permissions if the vessel has entered, this is a breach of security of the state. He needs to understand this. Now what he has said is she had no permission, she entered. He being the ex-defense minister, and if he says license asona ani boat भितर आयली मुरचे, it has breached the policy of the state as well as the coast guards were involved. They could have stopped the vessel. मुरचे breach of security झाली. And that also where the chief minister was defense minister. मुरचे how can this happen? तू म्हणटा तुवें परमिशन दिल ना, शी केप्ट ऑन कमिंग इनसायड, तुवें बंद कर म्हणलें. म्हणजे तुगे आयकना सणा एक बोट भितर आयली, इतली कापसतात ते बोटीक. आनी म्हणजे तुका स्टेटान तुका सेक्युरिटी सांबाळपा जायना, आनी अशें करून तुका स्टेट सेक्युरिटी सांबाळपा जायना जाल्यार आनी हाजे मुखार आनी आमकां कितें जाय गोंयचो न्हू. सो दीस इज वॉट हॅज टू बी. तुगली उतरांनी तूं सांगता की परमिशन ना. सो दीस इज अ ब्रीच ऑफ सेक्युरिटी एंड वी रिक्वेस्ट दीस टू बी इन्वेस्टिगेटेड इफ दीस इज अ ब्रीच ऑफ सेक्युरिटी. नाव द कोस्ट गार्ड हॅज टू कम इन टू पिक्चर एंड टेल why did the Coast Guard of Goa allow this breach of security and allow them to come inside when there was no permissions as per the chief minister. So yes, Sangun, we are highlighting these things because dredging is happening. We want all the people of Panjim to come out because Miramar beach is a heritage beach. People have been coming here for ages and ages, and today dredging is happening in open. Panjim, I request the people of Panjim, येयात बार, आज भायर येयात. आज 7 वरांचेर म्हाका दिसता की आख्खो लोक थिंग पेंजीम येवपाचो आसा मिरामार टू शो देयर प्रोटेस्ट अगेन्स्ट दीस हेरिटेज बीच एंड द ड्रेजिंग that is going on in open against the violation of CRZ Acts. Sir, 2 things. High Court giving permission based on XYZ points fulfilled. What weather conditions? Which weather conditions? High Court was not told that boss MPT has put a circular saying any vessels in MPT jurisdiction should not enter the sandbar. Captain of the ports have put a order. If these 2 things were put in front of the High Court and said I have complied to your requirements but there is a sandbar issue now, so when should I go? High Court would have told not now, you go after September. This was not put forward. Now fine, High Court did not know these facts. Facts were kept under cover. They were kept concealed. High Court gave. Now it was whose decision? See, everybody is involved. Everybody is trying to run away. Let's accept the fact there was a breach of security. Let's accept the fact that without the permission she is coming inside, and you all are saying that she just came and dropped anchor on based on High Court. Captain of the port, first of all, he says okay, SQL जाल्यार येवपा जाता, ना जाल्यार येवपा जायना. No. What does the maritime law says? Is the High Court the authority? जाल्यार maritime body anyway. High Court has nothing to do with the maritime law, and the state has nothing to do with the maritime law. This we all know. But we are just trying to run around with the statements. Why? So this is what also in my last press we have asked, please captain of the port, come there, ask the shipping company who has taken that contract to dredging karta, do you have a full proof plan ki 1 meter 2 meter to beach dredging करून तुझी बोट भायर सरतली म्हणून? And do you have, is it the correct way you violate CRZ norms आणि तू ड्रेजिंग कर ही बोट भायर काडपाक जाय म्हणून? What is the necessity to do it now? Is it there another process to bring it? So many ways. ती कोस्ताची एक बोट बुडलेली तुमकां जर खबरीच ना कितकोन बोट भायर काडपा जाय ती सॅल्वेज करपाक जाय जाल्यार युट्यूबार वचून पळयात मरे. Costa's vessel had sunk. They removed the whole big vessel out. They salvaged it out. They put it up. So many ideas are there. Why dredging? And why CRZ violation laws? So these people have to now come act. And then let it be a sensible decision. We are talking about protecting heritage. Isn't Miramar Beach a heritage now? Isn't it a heritage site? If you ask, is Miramar a heritage site, you will get 100% yes answers.